Okay, so we're going to talk about the B and D confusion, right? We labeled the fingers A, B, C, D so that you can hold your pencil with the right hand. The B is the bat and then the ball. And the D starts here, drum and stick, right?
Yeah.
So now when you're writing, all you have to do is look at your hand and remember this one is the B, starts up at the top, right? And the D starts here with the drum.
Got it.
So let's practice a couple here. And remember, when you make the D, I want you to say drum, stick, and not pick up your pencil. Let's do a couple more Ds. Drum, stick. Go again.
Drum, stick.
Two more.
Drum, stick.
Beautiful.
Drum, stick.
Okay, here comes a word. Ready? Bag.
Bag. Bat, ball.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I wanted you. You're right. Okay, do bat ball.
Bat, ball.
Good, but I want you to write the word bag.
Bat.
No, write the word bag.
Bag. Bag.
Good. So the bat ball helps you know which one you're making, right? But then when it's time to write a whole word, you have to go on with the rest of the letters.
Yeah.
Okay? Let's do it over here. Ready? Dog.
Dog.
Good.
Dog.
Very nice. And you know what? Because you did it, I'm going to show you another way that some of my friends like looking at the B's and D's. Do you see how, because the B only comes down one time, and then you just go right to the circle, right? So the B is always a nice straight line. Do you see that? But look at the D. Do you see how there's a little tiny loop in there?
Yes.
Because you go around and you go up and then you trace back down. So sometimes there's a loop. That's another way to help you remember the difference between them.
It is?
It looks a little different, right? I'm going to show you. The B is a straight one down and then around, whereas with the D, you could make it a little loopy. When you start learning cursive, this is what the cursive D looks like. It has a little loop. You want to try it?
Yeah.
Loop. Okay, a little skinnier of a loop. Try it again. Skinny loop. Skinny loop.
Cindy Lou.
Even skinnier. Look at how skinny mine is. Go ahead, try again. Stick. Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful D. I love it. So if you want, now, even though you haven't fully learned cursive, you can start doing your D's a little fancy like that. And that will also help you to discriminate that it's not a B.
Okay.
Okay, good. I'm going to stop the video.